सर थोडं थोडं
Okay. So good afternoon to all.
विशाल इंगळे
Yeah.
त्यांना द्या. विशाल इंगळे
एक minute.
त्यांना द्या.
So next heading we take down single phase transformers. It is a part of the second unit, that is magnetic circuit and single phase transformer only, the second unit name. But part of that one, the magnetic circuit we have already discussed. Now we'll discuss the other part of that one, that is single phase transformers. Have you seen the transformers anywhere? Anyone? So we have already discussed about the mutual inductance. We have discussed it. Based on that one mutual inductance only it is going to operate, and there is no rotating part in this one. Rotating part वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. Only thing is there, that is it is a fixed device. We are not going to movement anywhere anything here. The winding field movement करने का, flux movement करने का, we are not doing that. It is a device. It is nothing but static electromagnetic device here now. So electric current we are doing passing here, and the magnetic field is producing in that one here now. So electromagnet device we are going to call this one electromagnet. It is not a rotating or movement, so it is a fixed one. So static we are not going to consider here. We are considering as a static. It is a static electromagnetic device which transfers electrical energy or power from one circuit to another circuit without changing the frequency by mutual inductance. So transformer बोल दिया तो सब लोगों को इतना ही बोल देते हैं, which transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit. But we have to maintain the frequency constant. By mutual inductance process, it is going to transfer. So for the frequency for all over India is different and other foreign countries are different. Here now. So what is the standard Indian frequency? Can anyone tell me? Standard Indian frequency, what is the frequency? Yes. Is it audible or not? Hello.
50 hertz.
50 hertz. 50 or 60? 50 or 60? Again, you are in confusing. So the Indian standard frequency is 50 hertz only. Whatever the devices, the motors, machines, lamps, whatever the fans, everything we are using, that frequency is fixed for the 50 hertz only. We have to maintain the constant frequency. If the frequency is vary, the burning will offer. If the voltage will increases, means suddenly short circuit, then the frequency will difference over there. Frequency will vary. Frequency means what? Anyone can you tell me? Number of cycles per second. Number of cycles per second we are going to call that one. Actually it will applicable for the AC system here now. See here, this is the one positive cycle, one negative cycle. We are going to consider as one cycle here now. Half cycle, positive half cycle and negative half cycle. This is positive and this is negative. Here one cycle we are going to call this one cycle. So Indian standard frequency is 50 hertz is there. So number of cycles, like this number of cycles per second, 1 second के लिए कितना frequency cycles will happen, that is called frequency. We are going to call that. How many cycles will occur that one. The Indian frequency is 50 hertz. The other companies, some companies, they will use 60 hertz. Maximum the foreign countries, they are going to use 60 hertz. So all the devices they are using, which will they are going to design for the 60 hertz only. So the definition of the transformer is a static device, static electromagnetic device, which transforms electrical energy or power from one circuit to another circuit without changing the frequency by mutual inductance. Mutual inductance process ही हो रही है ना, एक winding रहते हैं, another winding, that we will discuss in the construction field here. So this is the definition. It can increase or decrease the voltage with corresponding decrease or increase of the current by keeping some frequency. frequency. By keeping some frequency, it is going to increase or decrease here now. Best example I will give you people, that is substation देखा है क्या तुम? Electrical substations, घर
Yes,
के
sir.
गांव के बाजू रहते देखो.
Yes,
In
sir.
that place, actually the voltage will be 11 kV or 110 kV or some 200 kV, 400 kV रहते, किलो वोल्ट्स रहते. तुम्हारा घर के पास आसू बाजू गली में ट्रांसफार्मर देखा है तुम लोग? Have you seen the transformer? एक टैंक जैसा 3 टैंक बना के रखा है पोल को.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
Yes, that is a transformer. वही ट्रांसफार्मर बोलते हैं हम. वो ट्रांसफार्मर को इनपुट इज 11 kV. 11 kV इज नथिंग बट 11,000 वोल्टेज रहते हैं उसका इनपुट. हमको आउटपुट कितना चाहिए? घर में कितना वोल्टेज यूज करते हैं हम? घर में कितना वोल्टेज यूज करते हैं? No idea of that one. So in the next AC circuit we are going to discuss that one. Then also I will brief about that one. See here, this is one line RYB. 3 lines will come here now for the transformer. इधर ट्रांसफार्मर है तुम्हारा. Okay, 3 lines है ना. ये सबस्टेशन से ट्रांसफार्मर टैंक को आ जाते हैं. 3 टैंकी रहते हैं, हर एक टैंकी को एक आ जाते हैं. Okay, next what they will do, from the ट्रांसफार्मर इट विल कम 4 लाइंस आ जाते, नॉट 3, 4 लाइंस आ जाते. एक RYB phases and 1 neutral line will extra comes here. Suppose if the apartment and bigger houses, residential, commercial, factories are there, they will take all 4 lines here. अभी खेती में मोटर वगैरह है तो 3 phase सप्लाई यूज करते हैं ना, for the pumping, water purpose and all the things. These all 3-4 lines they are going to consider connect to the motor or whatever it may be. Suppose I want for my house means this is 1 phase 1 neutral, only 2 ही लाइन आ जाते. घर को 2 लाइन्स आ जाते ना हाउस में. यस सर नो?
Yes, sir.
लैम्प को कनेक्ट करना है, तुम सप्लाई दे, होल्डर है, होल्डर में कितना वायर्स रहते हैं? 2 ही वायर रहते हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
Phase 1 neutral we are going to use that 1 phase and 1 neutral here. For your residential 1 phase and 1 neutral we are going to use almost 240 volts. We are going to consider 240 or 230 to 240 volt. तुम्हारा घर में वोल्टेज चेक करो सेम वोल्टेज आ जाएगा, बाजू के घर में जाके चेक करो सेम वोल्टेज, you will get that one. So this voltage will be given by this transformer only. We can increase the voltage or we can decrease the voltage. So 240 वोल्ट देके उसको 11 kV भी ले सकते, 11 kV देके 240 और 440 वोल्ट, टोटल 3 पे सब वोल्टेज 4 लाइंस लिए तो उसका वोल्टेज रहते 440 वोल्ट्स रहते. 440 volts. This is actually the 11,000 to 440 volt. It is going to transfer that one. So either electrical energy is there, this electrical energy is transformed to electrical energy only, but the circuit is this one circuit is different, this is another circuit. One circuit say another circuit it is transforming. It may be voltage you can increase or decrease here. You can increase or decrease the voltage corresponding to current. If the voltage is vary, then current will also increase or decrease, na? Corresponding to decrease or increase of the current. By keeping same frequency, we can increase the voltage, we can decrease the voltage, we can vary the current, but the frequency will be constant, that is 50 hertz only. The frequency will be 50 hertz only. We are keeping over there. Next one, if the voltage level is increased, voltage level अभी 11 kV 11,000 से अभी 220 हो गए, means 11,000 to 2,20,000 हो गए, 2,20,000 वोल्टेज हो गए. सोचो अभी 220 kV here now, 2,20,000 voltage. It is called step up transformer. Suppose 100 से 200 की है ना, step up 100 से we are increasing the voltage, that is called step up transformer. We are going to consider here. Suppose 440 to 200 की है हमने, that is called step down transformer. We are going to consider. If the voltage level is increased, that is step up transformer. If the voltage level is decreased, then that is called step down transformer. We are going to call that one. So is it clear this point?
Yes,
First
sir.
definition and how we are going to increase or decrease based on that one. Step up, step down transformers we are going to call that one. Okay, take that one. Next heading, next page में ही लिखो डायरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट पेज में लिखो सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफार्मर. सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफार्मर. सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफार्मर हेडिंग लिखा है. Have you written the heading?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next line you write down definition. 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 Double inverted comma you write down. Transformer is a static electromagnetic device. Transformer is a static electromagnetic device. Transformer is a static electromagnetic device. Static electromagnetic device which transforms electrical energy or power from one circuit to another circuit. From one circuit to another circuit without changing the frequency by mutual inductance. Full point, double inverted comma, complete. Next line. Next line. It can increase or decrease the voltage. It can increase or decrease. It can increase or decrease the voltage with corresponding decrease or increase of current. Decrease or increase of current. By keeping same frequency. By keeping the same frequency. Full point. Next line. If the voltage level is increased, then it is called as step up transformer. Full point. Next line. If the voltage level is decreased, then it is called as step down transformer. Full point. Okay. So next heading you take down working principle of single phase transformer. Working principle of single phase transformer. Working principle of single phase transformer. Just take the heading, only heading ले लो, कुछ मत लिखो. I'll dictate that one later. See here, the diagram is visible to everyone.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Look at this diagram. It is a transformer diagram. Single phase transformer का diagram है. अभी घर के बाजू तुमने पोल को टैंक दिख रहा है ना, वो that is 3 phase. 3 टैंक है तो 3 phase है. Single phase means in one tank only. That is, I will tell later that construction part. This is a transformer winding here now. This is the transformer here now. Whatever this dark color indicates, it is a magnetic core बोलते हैं हमने. Transformer का core है. It may be iron, steel. We can use that one here now. The steel, iron or core, iron core we are using here now. This is the core material, whatever this one. And here the red line it is looking here. This is the winding we are going to call here. This is the winding here now. And one more winding is there here in this side. This is also one more winding. Just a minute. So this diagram is visible here now. This is the magnetic core we are going to call this one. Whatever the lines dark area is there here. This is the core material. And here one winding we have done here. The for the core it is wounded with a coil here now. So this core is surrounded by a coil here now. So from this one like this we have made the winding here now. That is one winding we are going to call that one here like this. ये wire इधर से अंदर से फिर opposite like this. It is winding is like this here now. Yes, so inside that part core is there here now. Inside that part core is there. So how many windings are there here? Here one winding and here another winding is there. Two windings are there. How many windings are there? This one winding, this is one coil we are going to call, and here the secondary coil we are going to call, this is secondary coil or second coil here now. So winding, primary winding, and this first part is primary winding and this one is secondary winding we are going to call here now. So this winding is wounded with a core material, surrounds to the core material. ये core material को wound किया है हमने. Is it clear up to here?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What we will do here, this winding we are doing means from one wire, एक wire लिए उसको winding करते 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 सब इधर तक होने के बाद last को इधर cut किया. So two terminals are there here. For the primary winding, two terminals are there. Secondary winding also two terminals are there. Yes. So what I will do, I will give the supply, single phase supply to this primary winding here. For the primary winding, I will give the single phase supply. Because of that single phase supply, the current will start to flow here. In this one, the winding, the current will start to flow into the winding. Because of this current flowing from the 0 to little bit, I will increase the voltage and all the things. the current is flowing in the conductor, means the flux will be produced here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
flux will produces in the core. Here the core material we are using here now. So at the center point of the core, the flux will produces and it will link with the secondary coil also here. Will link with the secondary coil. Yes. Here the current is passing, but the flux is producing in the core. That flux is linked with the secondary coil also. Yes, it is
sir.
linked with secondary coil. Because of this flux linkage and the current is flowing in the primary winding, the flux linkage will produce us EMF, induces the EMF in this coil.
Yes, sir.
So that EMF induced in this coil, it will start to EMF induced means voltage is produced in that one. Because of that voltage, the current IS, the secondary current will start to flow here. The secondary current start to flow here. That voltage between these two terminal is nothing but VS or secondary voltage or output voltage, we are going to call that one. To produce the flux in this one, here whatever the primary voltage we have applied, that is Vp, we are going to call. The number of turns in the primary winding, that is Np. Number of turns in the secondary winding is Ns, we are going to call here. So mutual inductance, by flowing the current in the primary winding which is connected with the secondary winding, it's nothing but the flux is linked with the secondary winding. So it is a mutual inductance only we are going to call, na? Which is nothing but mutual inductance here now. Yes. From one circuit to another circuit. For that reason only we are going to call that one. The current is given to the first coil, but that energy is, because of this flux linkage, it is transferred to the secondary coil and it will get the output here. So static electrical devices is electromagnetic process we are using electromagnet. Static we are using, is there any movement of the core? Is there any movement of the wire? No, it is a static device. So static electromagnetic device which transforms electrical energy. Electrical energy is transferring from one circuit to another circuit. It is transforming without frequency, changing the frequency. Frequency is constant only, we are going to call that. Yes, understood. This is the working principle of the transformer. Working principle of the transformer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more thing I will tell that one. We have discussed about step up transformer, step down transformer. Can anyone tell me this one? It is a step up transformer or step down transformer?
Step down.
Step down or step up? You know the formula for the self-induced EMF and mutual induced EMF. So here the mutual induced EMF process only we are doing here now. So first one, whatever the mutual induced EMF means, flux linkage only it is depending. N phi will become same only. Phi will become constant only. N into this phi you multiply here. Here N into phi. Number of turns is, which one is more here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The primary winding number of turns are more. The secondary winding number of turns are less here. So depending on the voltage levels is depending on the number of turns only. If the number of turns are increased, then voltage will be increases. You have to, simple theory you have to remember. Here less number of turns are there, the primary side more number of turns are there. So higher voltage is given to the primary and lesser voltage will be transferred to the secondary here. So step down we are going to call
Step
that.
down.
Step down transformer it is. Step down transformer it is now. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Simple A topic.
Yes, sir.
Topic simple A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You
Yes.
take this diagram. डायग्राम ले सकते हैं? डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है क्या? Can you take this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take it. Working principle of single phase transformer, उसका नीचे diagram ले लो. Take this diagram. ग्राफिक स्टडी कर रहे तो फ्रंट व्यू मालूम है ना, ओनली फ्रंट व्यू लेने का, डोंट टेक दिस पार्ट, ये पार्ट नहीं लेने का। इफ यू आर परफेक्ट इन डायग्राम यू कैन टेक दैट वन। मैंने उसके लिए ड्रा किया था अभी, दिस पार्ट ओनली स्क्वायर बॉक्स यू टेक डाउन, इसको ही वाइंडिंग करने का, दिख रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
This is primary winding like this. Last one like this. It looks like a primary winding. Then you can take the secondary winding. Directly you can do. This is secondary winding. You can take like that. So primary winding should be more, secondary winding should be less. Like that you have to take out. Over. Is it over diagram? Over क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This all things you have to take down. Primary winding current. Here you write down. इधर ही लिख दो इधर. This is NS. Secondary terms. This is NP. इधर लिख देने का number of turns. NP terms इसको. And the current direction here only we can write like this. This one also we have to write like this. So everything you have to write down here. Primary winding, secondary winding. All things is over. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next you write down. The single phase transformer works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Full point. Typically mutual inductance between primary and secondary winding is responsible for the transformer operation in an electrical transformer. Full point. Next line. It consists of two electrical coils, called as a primary winding, primary winding, and secondary winding, called as a primary winding and secondary winding. Secondary winding. Full point. Full point. The primary winding of a transformer. The primary winding of a transformer receives power. The primary winding of a transformer receives power while the secondary winding delivers power. The primary winding of a transformer receives power, while the secondary winding delivers the power. इसका मीनिंग मालूम होगा क्या? So we are giving the input to the primary winding, so it will receive the power. Input means single phase supply, we are going to call that one. Supply means if the current is flowing, means we have given the voltage across two terminals, primary voltage across two terminals. What do you mean by product? Sorry, power. Power is the product of voltage and current. P equal to VI we are going to consider. If the AC is there, we have to consider power factor also. VI cos pi. Cos pi is nothing but power factor. Power factor is at the for the transformer you assume as 1 now. So P equal to VI, we can tell that one. So for that reason only, the primary winding we have applied the power, but the secondary winding we are taking the power from the secondary winding. So input is given to the primary, the output we are taking from the secondary here. Now whatever the required voltage is there, we are going to get from the secondary voltage or current or power it may be. We are going to, if the voltage we are assuming is corresponding to that one, current will changes here now. So the power will become same over there. Like that we are going to consider. While the secondary winding delivers the power. Full point. Full point. Next line. Next line. A magnetic iron circuit is called. A magnetic iron circuit is called. A magnetic iron circuit is called core. Is called core. Is called core. Full point. Full point. Full point. Continue. It is commonly used to wrap. It is commonly used to wrap, WRAP, wrap around these coils. Around these coils. Around these coils. Full point. These two coils are electrically isolated. Electrically isolated, but they are magnetically linked. What is the meaning of this one? Electrically isolated and magnetically linked here. What is the meaning of this one? See, electrical, इधर एक winding coil है, इधर एक coil है. इसको दोनों के बीच में वायर से कनेक्शन है क्या? कुछ वायर से कनेक्शन है?
No, sir.
Then it is
No.
electrically isolated. दोनों को टच भी नहीं है इधर, इतना गैप भी है. But magnetically linked. Magnetically means this flux is linked with primary and secondary here. Secondary winding, both windings को linked. So that is the meaning of it is isolated by electrically isolated, but magnetically both are linked here. Now for that reason only electromagnetic device we are going to call that one. Full point. Next line. Next line. An electric current when passed through the when passed through the primary of a transformer. An electric current when passed through the primary of a transformer. Then a magnetic field is created. Magnetic field is created which induces a voltage, which induces a voltage, which induces a voltage across the secondary of a transformer, which induces a voltage across the secondary of a transformer. So this is the meaning. An electric current when passed through primary of a transformer, current pass होगा primary में, then magnetic field will be created. That magnetic field is linked with the secondary. Because of that flux linkages, the EMF will induces in the secondary winding. So the voltage across the secondary of transformer is induces. It is a meaning of that one. Full point. Full point. Next one. Based on the type of application, 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 the single phase transformer is used. The single phase transformer is used to either step up or either step up or step down the voltage at the output. Either step up or step down the voltage at the output. At the output. Full point. Next line. Next line. This transformer is typically a power transformer. This transformer is typically a power transformer with high efficiency, and low losses. Full patch. Is it clear? Working principle clear hai? If
Yes,
anybody
sir.
having the doubts, then you can ask. कुछ doubt है working principle में?
No, sir.
Then we will go for the next heading. You take down construction of a transformer. Construction of single phase transformer. Heading ले लो. ये नहीं दिख रहे शायद तुमको नहीं दिखते, but I will explain this one. Construction of single phase transformer. Just take the heading and listen. Take the heading and listen. Okay. Over heading liye?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many coils are there in the transformer?
2.
So
Two.
it mainly consists of two coils. One is primary, another one is secondary.
Secondary.
Yes. So and इसको एक winding और coils किधर attach कर रहे हैं हमने? Magnetic core को attach कर रहे हैं. We are inside the core only. We are the core is inside the winding only. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
two
sir.
windings are there and one laminated core should be required. Lamination means it should not connect with the wire. Conductor को link नहीं रहने का, short circuit नहीं होने का. For that reason we have to use laminated iron or steel core we are using here now. So this is the main device. It consists of two windings, primary and secondary winding, and a laminated iron or steel core here. Core is required here now. The coils or windings are made up of what? Copper से winding किया है. Wire means copper wire. Which wire it is there? Winding means copper wire we are using. Yes, enameled copper we are going to call that one here. No, it's nothing but copper only. Next one, the core we are using, the iron or steel core provides path to the flow of magnetic flux here. Core किसके लिए use कर रहे हैं? That will provide the magnetic flux which will link with primary and which will link to the both the coils here. These are built of laminated iron or silicon steel to provide a continuous path. Continuous path provide करने के लिए to reduce the losses, and we are using almost silicon steel or iron material we are using for the core here. To provide high permeability and reduce the eddy current losses. Here in the previous sentence, we have told here no. This transformer is typically a power transformer with high efficiency. Efficiency is high and low losses. Actually, losses are not there for your syllabus. Mainly there are two losses are there. One is variable losses, another one is constant loss or iron loss or core losses. In that core losses, core में losses produce होते हैं ना, that losses we are going to call as iron losses or core losses or constant losses. वो current increase करो decrease करो उसको संबंध नहीं है, but losses will be constantly it is there. There are two losses, hysteresis loss and eddy current losses are there. Some current leakage की वजह से eddy current losses will occur here. For that reason, to increase the permeability and reduce the eddy current losses reduce करने के लिए hysteresis loss, a laminated silicon steel core is suitable here now. Eddy current losses, hysteresis loss and permeability increase करने के लिए, losses reduce करने के लिए, permeability increase करने के लिए हमने laminated suitable silicon steel core we have to choose that one here now. Comparing with iron, the silicon steel will be better. They are telling that one. The thickness of the lamination, lamination करो बोल दे तो paint जैसा नहीं करने का. The thickness of the lamination to reduce the losses 0.3 mm to 0.5 mm रहने का. 0.3 mm to 0.5 mm lamination of the core we have to do that one. So lamination is done in the form of U, E and L. There are two basic types of transformer construction here. एक construction के ये parts we have told here now. But again the transformer construction का base में there are two types, that is core type and cell type we are going to consider. Whatever we have discussed, that is core type, and this is cell type we are going to call that. Core type and cell type here. ये cell जैसे दिख रहे हैं ना, inside the winding is there, and here core type means the core is outside here now. Core, sorry, coil winding covers the core here now. Yes, winding encircles the core. Core inside है नहीं, winding के अंदर है.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
core type we are going to consider. For the cell type, the winding is inside the core here now. The core will encircles the winding here or coil. Coil इधर है, इसके surrounding पूर्ण core है इधर. Yes, here also it will flow. Here also it will flow. It is nothing but magnetic, parallel magnetic circuit we can call that one here. Up to here, same flux will come. At this point, some flux will come here and some flux will go here now. That is cell type we are going to call that one here. This is the cell type we are going to call. For this one, this winding, how they are going to construct here? How they are going to construct? Yes, in core type transformer, the windings encircles the core. Winding encircles the core. The primary and secondary winding can be placed on the same limb or separate limb. इसमें ही कर सकते separate limb में. Limb is nothing but this one. This is one limb, second limb, third, fourth, like that here now. So 4 limbs are there here now. So some advantages of this one is easy construction, better cooling, easy installation, less coupling, less mechanical protection, less efficient. Yeah, it is nothing but here now. See, comparing here, हमने वाइंडिंग कर रहे बोल रहे, इतना कोर है ऐसा, इसको वाइंडिंग कैसे ऐसा हाथ से बनाते क्या ये वाइंडिंग? Here I am telling that one showing some 10 to 12 lines, but they are going to do around 3000 to 4000 lines they are going to do here, copper wire. 3000 to 400 हाथ से बनाते क्या कैसे करते हैं? They will do whatever the core size they will take. This one core size लेते, वो size का difference inside देके अभी कपड़े का stitch करते हैं ना, वो machine है ना, like that winding machines will come. उससे they are going to do the winding in the winding companies and all that. First what they will do, the core they will prepare like this. I will take another color here. Red color I will take that. See here. Like this, U shape में एक core बनाते पहला. First they will take the U shape core here now. इसको lamination tape लगाते. Winding separately they will do some windings. They will do here now. इसको winding बाहर ही करके ये winding है. Understood? ये वाइंडिंग का है, ये वाइंडिंग इसके अंदर घुसा देते हैं अभी. So after inserting the winding on this one, how it will looks like this. It will looks like this. ऐसा दोनों वाइंडिंग सेपरेटली किए वाला रहते, दोनों वाइंडिंग इसके अंदर फिक्स कर देते हैं. इसके अंदर फिक्स करने के बाद द अपर पार्ट है ना, अपर पार्ट, then by using the core, another core, they will close this part here. अभी ट्रांसफार्मर जैसे दिख रही है, this one same. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So सर वाइंडिंग कैसे करते हैं ऐसा नहीं पूछने का. फर्स्ट दे विल डू यू शेप का कोर बनाते, उसको लैमिनेशन करते, देन टू सेपरेट वाइंडिंग्स, प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग सेपरेट सेपरेट एंड सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग सेपरेटली दे विल डू द वाइंडिंग. प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग प्राइमरी लिंब को लगा देते एंड सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग सेकेंडरी लिंब को लगा देते. नेक्स्ट आई शेप दे विल फिक्स ऑन द दिस यू शेप हियर. So this will give the core type transformer completely. It is going to give here. So you can use this I instead of I type, L type also you can use here now. This one ये भी हो जाते हैं ना, half L type. Yes, this one also they can do in the manufacturer. L and L later they can join each other. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So U and I are L and L also, it is possible here. So similarly, this one will dictate tomorrow, but at least you take the previous part. Have taken the heading of construction?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you write down. You write this part. Bolo. Take this one. Single phase transformer mainly consists of two coils. Single phase transformer mainly consists of two coils. Bracket में लिखो, primary and secondary.
हो सात मध्ये त्यातनं गाया निघते त्या बाजूला,
Bracket
लय
close.
खाली दिसतंय.
Bracket close. And a laminated iron or steel core. Steel core. Full point. Next line. The coils are windings. The coils are windings are made up of enameled ENAMELED, made up of enameled material है, enameled copper means enameled copper, made up of enameled copper, and iron or steel core provides, sorry full point दे दो, copper होने के बाद full point दे दो. Next line. Iron or steel core provides path to the magnetic flux. Provides path to the magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. Full point. We'll continue in the next class. कोई तो ग्रुप में दूसरा मीटिंग लिंक दिए क्या?
Yes, sir.
क्यों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये लिंक नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. We'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class.